For drivers and passengers, wearing a seatbelt is one of the easiest things to do. It doesn't require any skill to execute correctly, and perhaps more importantly, it can save your life. Just ask Alan Shepherd.
Apparently the impact was in the vicinity of 210 kilometres an hour. I had nose was broken in 2 places. I had cut across here over my eye, which they put 8 stitches in. I had 2 broken ribs on this side. I had 6 broken ribs on this side and a deflated lung on this side. Even though there were injuries from the seatbelt, it still saved my life.
Alan's injuries were so severe, he was airlifted to the Royal Brisbane Hospital by a RACQ care flight. He spent 5 days in an induced coma before he was woken up.
It was pretty hard on my family. The biggest part of the recovery, or the worst part of the recovery, was the suffering that my wife and son went through.
And we eventually got through it. We made it. With a lot of help. But we still have you. I advise anybody that's in a car to have a seatbelt on. Without that, Alan, who knows where he would have been.
Ever since their use was legislated in the 1970s, seatbelts have been one of the biggest lifesavers on Queensland roads. And if you're not wearing one, you're not even giving yourself a chance. You're 10 times more likely to be killed in a road crash.
And the amount of accidents that have been recently where people have been killed with not wearing seatbelts, you know, for the sake of just a click here, they'd still be alive today.
At the end of the day, it's simple. Wear a seatbelt, it just clicks.